Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone for change. Back up crucial files to cloud or PC because you will delete and reset things. Once done, free at least 10% storage. Low space slows processors. Make sure to uninstall or disable apps you do not use and force stop background hogs. Then check for system updates and clear the cache partition to remove stale temp files. Reboot after each step so the system recalibrates. Now you move into deeper optimization. Open developer options and limit background processes to 2 or 3 so RAM is available for active tasks. Once adjusted, replace heavy apps with lightweight or Go alternatives, and remove widgets and live wallpapers that constantly update. Make sure to scale down animations to 0. 5x or turn them off entirely to speed UI responsiveness, and restrict battery and background data for apps that wake the device too often, which conserves resources. To finish, perform a factory reset only if problems persist. It removes deep software clutter, and you should reinstall selectively. Keep essential apps only. Once back up, run a simple benchmark or system monitor to confirm gains and observe CPU and memory patterns. If you face slowdowns, boot into safe mode to check whether third-party apps are the culprit. If issues remain, contact the manufacturer or your carrier for hardware diagnostics. This isolates whether it is software versus hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.